Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Easy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to install this RAM into this laptop RAM slot. So guys, this is a 4 GB RAM which I have bought recently. So I'm going to install this RAM into this PC. I'll just show how much RAM does it have now. So guys, as you can see, it has a 4 GB of RAM and Intel Core i5 processor. So guys, we just need to extend this RAM by again adding 4 GB into this, and it will become 8 GB of RAM total. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, now I have off the laptop now. Now you need to remove these screws. I have already removed these screws by using this star screwdriver. Then after that, remove this upper lid. Then take your RAM and clean the copper or the gold coating here, right here, with a microfiber cloth like this, just like this. Clean it properly. Then after doing that, you just need to take this and match the slot with this slot. As you can see, the slot breaks right here, so in the RAM slot also should break here itself. So now guys, you just need to take the RAM and insert it into it. Then after inserting the RAM, you just need to give a little tap to it. Then the RAM will get locked into it. As you can see, the RAM is locked into it. So guys, now that we have installed the RAM, in case if you need to remove the RAM, you just need to press this metal thing towards down, just like this, and same right here also. It will pop out, the RAM will pop up just like this. After inserting, you just need to give a light press, it will get inserted. Like this, you can remove and install the RAM. Guys, now we'll switch on the PC and check if the RAM has increased or not. So guys, now the PC has been turned on successfully. We'll go to properties and check the RAM if it is inserted into the PC or not. Just going to properties. So guys, as you can see, the RAM has been successfully installed. It is showing 8 GB right here, and before it was 4 GB as I shown before. So guys, so that our RAM has been successfully installed, you can just close the lid of this laptop. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching.